Hey guys, winter is coming, and I'm back to give you some quick and easy tips on how to prep your heating system for a successful transition from summer to winter. Tip number 1, test your system early and change the batteries in any digital thermostats. Turn on your heating systems nice and early. Don't forget, a lot of heating systems have multiple zones, so make sure you test each one individually. After that, if you have a digital thermostat, change out your batteries to make sure you're all set for this season. Tip number 2, double check your propane or oil levels. Whether your heating system uses propane or oil, now's the perfect time to reach out to your provider and schedule a top off. We recommend you taking part in an auto refill service. That way you never have to worry about running out of fuel throughout the whole winter. Tip number 3, schedule a preventative maintenance appointment with our service team. With heating systems in particular, preventative maintenance is critical. Our service team will inspect, test, and clean your equipment to ensure top-tier efficiency this season. Be sure to ask about our ESA program, which allows you to bundle services together, saving you money on maintenance costs and any demand calls year-round. So I hope you found these tips useful. Whether you have a conventional or a ductless heating system, rely on our team to keep you comfortable this winter. This is Pete from East Coast. We hope to see you soon.